If you want to maintain the battery health of your iPhone at 100%, so in this video I will give you a few tips on how to do that. Now before we start, I would like to tell you that you cannot maintain the battery health of your iPhone at 100% forever. Because as you use your iPhone for a few years, your iPhone's battery health will naturally start degrading. But by following the tips which I will show you in this video, you will be able to maintain the battery health of your iPhone at 100% for longer. Now the first tip is avoid discharging your iPhone's battery to 0% and also avoid charging your battery full to 100%. Aim to keep your iPhone's battery between 20% and 80%, meaning that you should start charging your iPhone when it reaches 20%, and once your iPhone reaches 80%, just remove your iPhone from charge. Now there is also a setting in your iPhone to keep the battery of your iPhone charged at 80%. For that, just go to Settings and tap on Battery. Under the battery settings, just tap on Charging, and from here, just set the charging limit to 80%. And after you do that, your iPhone will stop charging when it reaches 80%. Also make sure you use Apple's original charger to charge your iPhone, because if you use a third-party charger or a charger which is not supported by Apple, this will not only degrade the battery health of your iPhone, but it will also damage your iPhone. So avoid using third-party chargers. Also avoid leaving your iPhone in a warm environment. For example, if you leave your iPhone in your car in a sunny day, or if you keep using your iPhone under direct sunlight, this can permanently damage your iPhone's battery. So make sure you avoid using your iPhone in a hot environment. Also avoid using your iPhone while it is charging, because by continuously doing this will degrade the battery life of your iPhone. Now finally, there are some settings you should enable in the Settings app to protect your battery. Now for that, just go to Settings, and in Settings, just tap on Battery. Now from here, just tap on Power Mode. Now when your iPhone's battery is low on charge, just enable Low Power Mode. Then go back. Now in the main settings page, just tap on Accessibility. Under the Accessibility settings, just tap on Display in Text Size. Now at the bottom of the page, you will find the option of Auto Brightness. Now just enable this toggle. Now by enabling this toggle, your iPhone screen will automatically dim the brightness when you're in a dark lighting environment. And finally, make sure you use Wi-Fi instead of cellular data when it is possible. And when you're using Wi-Fi, just open the control center and disable mobile data from the control center. And when you need to use mobile data, you can turn it on from the control center. And these were a few tips to maintain the battery health of your iPhone at 100%. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.